Everyone at Stream Crypto here. The IBot, the automated bot that's trading Bitcoin and Cardano on your behalf. Today we'll be looking at using the Binance exchange while connected to the IBot. And small tip, how to create additional income. When we go to the Binance exchange, when you're logging in, this will be the first page you've seen. To get to your charts, to see your trades, there's two options. You can click on trade above and then on advance. By doing this, it will take you to the chart immediately. But I'm going to show you a second option, which I prefer and which is easier for me. When we go back to the main front page, what I usually do is I go to wallet, I go to fiat and spot wallet. The moment you go into your fiat and spot wallet, immediately it opens all your balances. So from an eye glance, you can immediately see what available balance you have in your Bitcoin and Cardano, because that's the two main factors. And then from here, it's easier to go to a chart. You just follow the Cardano line, and then you get options: buy, deposit, withdraw, or trade. When you click on trade, it gives you all the pairs. You go down and you just click on ADA. As you can see, it opens the same chart we've seen before. Now, I don't personally like this chart because with the bot trading, we don't need to see all these kinds of information. So what I usually do is I go to the top right corner to the setting wheel. Here you can also decide, do you want a day's background or a night background, the black. I prefer the black because I do this 16 hours a day. And then lower it, you can see classic, pro or full screen. I prefer the pro option because you can use it more in detail. Now when you log onto the pro option, your screen will look exactly like this the first time. You'll see your chart, a lot of indicators that's published there. You get your order book, and at the bottom, you'll see your different trades. So let's clean it up a little bit. To get rid of the current indicators, all you need to do is click the X next to them. It will take them away one by one. Now to clean up your screen even more, just right click on your screen, go down to properties, go to background. Now your vert grids and horse grids, just click on the blocks, move the lever all the way for both of them. Okay, and you have a clear screen seeing all your sell orders. With Binance, it does get overloaded at times. You log in and there will be no sell orders visible. Just refresh your page. It's still not visible. Just move your charts different time frames because the market might have moved out of the range. Or you can put your mouse on the levels of values. You left click on it and you drag it. The moment you've started dragging it like this, you can drag your screen up and down as well. If you want it back to normal screen, you just go to the values and you double click on it. Brings it back normally. In the middle of the screen, get a minus and a plus sign. Plus will increase the size of your candles and the minus will decrease. So this is cleaning up your chart, making it easier for you. Now the order book, since I don't like using it and it's a bot trading, you can just go back to your settings wheel, go down and unclick order book. It's gone. You can use the little arrow at the bottom right of the chart, move it more, and you get an even bigger. Third thing, there's a regional trading view or dev chart. I like using trading view because it shows my limit order. the two arrows, sideways arrows up and down. Click on that, it will maximize your screen and you can just see your chart. Want to go back, just click it again. Then at the bottom, you'll see your open orders. Open orders is all your orders you have opened. On the right hand side, it shows here hide other pairs. Now, if it's not clicked, if you have any other pairs open, it will show it. If it's clicked, it will only show the pair on the chart, which is ADA Bitcoin. Order history. I like keeping mine on one day because then I'll see when orders went through that day. But since we didn't have any orders today yet, I'll click on 1 week and we can see the last order was last night, 23 minutes, 22 minutes then. And since then, we haven't had the buy order yet again, and it hasn't triggered any of my sell orders. Finally, at the top right where it shows Cardano, what you can do is when you're looking for Cardano Bitcoin, you go to Bitcoin, type in ADA BTC, and it will bring up Cardano. I like to click this star and highlight it because that means when I go up here and you click on the star, it will give you all the coins that start. So you don't need to search for it, it will be there already. Now, for the additional tip, a way to benefit from your balances in your wallet you're not using. When we go back to our fiat and spot wallet, this is going to depend on the strategy you're using. I'm using a feeding strategy, so I don't give the bot all my balance Bitcoin all the time. As you can see, I just got a small balance of Bitcoin here currently. And I do have more Bitcoin. What I've done is, if you move to the right hand side, there's an option earn. When you click on it, it gives you 3 options. Take the flexible option. Now the flexible option is a savings account. Now to give you an idea, all the Bitcoin balance that's in my wallet, I can transfer to the savings account. Just going to click on max and it's going to use 0.002. Agreed, and I transferred. Now after we've transferred it, if we go back to your fiat and spot wallet, you'll see that I don't have any Bitcoin available anymore due to the fact that it's in my earn wallet. Now where do you find your earn wallet? Just go to wallets, go down to earn, and this is your earn wallet, which is a savings wallet. And currently, as you can see, I'll get a 0.5% interest on my Bitcoin that's lying in this wallet. Another benefit of this is it's a daily accrual. So every day your interest gets paid out. It will go to your available balance in your fiat side. So it's a small percentage which you keep on gaining with. If you do want to send any funds back to your fiat and spot wallet for your bot to trade with, all you need to do is click on redeem, put in an amount of Bitcoin needed. Fast redemption means it will be available immediately. Standard redemption means it's going to wait until you got your interest for the day before it will be available. We'll take fast redemption and confirm. Now it's been confirmed. We go back to your fiat and spot wallet. You'll see I do have Bitcoin available again. The benefit of this earn is your funds is not locked up. You can use it at any time, which benefits doing this feeding strategy or the long-term strategy with this bot. It's a tip to generate additional income. And remember, in the earn side, you can use your stable coins as well to create interest, but it's just an additional option. If you like the options and it's going to help you out, please hit that like and subscribe button and have a great one.